Hello, and thank you for coming to my website. My name is Steve Mangan. Today I'd like to give you some tips and what you need to know before you hire a professional to help with the preparation of your tax return. Number one is experience. You should hire someone that has experience in the field that you're looking for. In other words, if you're in the construction business, you want to have someone that understands the construction industry. Does the preparer understand your particular needs in your particular business? That's one of the most important key parts when you're hiring a professional. The second thing that you need to concern yourself with how educated that person is. Now, CPAs, attorneys, and enrolled agents are required to have education as part of their licensing. So you want to make sure that the person that you hire has current knowledge of the current tax law. And thirdly, you need to concern yourself about security. The information that you provide to your preparer is sensitive, and if it got in the wrong hands, it could be devastating to you, particularly with your concern about identity theft. When that information is transmitted to the preparer, how does he handle the information? Does he make sure that it's protected and that you're protected? The fourth concern that you should have is accessibility and continuity. You need to concern yourself, is that person going to be here next year? Is he going to be here in the summer? Oftentimes you see preparers that work out of shopping malls. Are they really going to be here? Or on April 15th do they pack their bags and leave? So that is a concern. The other thing you want to make sure of is that the person's there and the hours that you need him. If you work evening shift, if you work day shift, and you need to make sure that you can schedule an appointment when it best meets your needs. Accessible means location. Is that person close enough to you to provide the services that you need? Now that really is not an issue if you're involved and use internet options. Now internet options, as long as they're secure, you can provide the information through secure portals. And lastly, but one of the most important, is the services that the person provides. Is that preparer going to e-file your return? Is he going to electronically deposit your payments? How much is he going to charge? All those are important to find out ahead of time. What happens if your return's examined? Does that person have the ability to represent you before the Internal Revenue Service, or before the tax authorities, or before tax courts? I'm Steve Mangan, creating solutions for small businesses.